Are you ready to save big on Tidio products and services? Imagine getting top-notch tools to boost your business and customer service at unbeatable prices. Well, now's your chance to do just that, without breaking the bank. Here's how you can grab the best Tidio coupon codes, promo codes, and discounts in 3 simple steps. Keycap 1. Visit promosaver.net, go to the website, or check the link in the video description or comments, and explore a world full of exclusive deals made just for you. Keycap 2. Choose the best code for you, browse through a selection of promo codes and pick the one that suits your needs the most. It's quick and easy. Keycap 3. Apply at checkout and save big. Simply enter your chosen code when you check out, and watch as your total drops instantly. Enjoy the fantastic discount and treat yourself to premium Tidio services and features. Why pay full price when you can unlock incredible savings? With Tidio, you get the best in customer service tools designed to help your business grow. Now, with these amazing promo codes, you can make the most of what Tidio offers at a fraction of the cost. Don't wait, these deals won't last long. Take advantage of this opportunity to save big and enhance your business today. Backhand index pointing right. Start saving now by visiting promosaver.net and grab your Tidio coupon code before it's gone. Get ready to experience the power of Tidio at unbeatable prices. Let the savings begin.